Rocha, Jehovah, Poetistikana, Nawatikana, Krahatsi, Netikana Kunsi, Sawatana, Jehovah, Shikana, Ayaki. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for allowing us once again to be here and to visit with you all again. This dance that we're gonna do is the dance where I come from in my village. The song that I'll be singing it has to do with all the directions, north, south, east, and west. We have I guess similar to how you guys believe or have like certain gods or guardians that you guys pray to. These are our rain gods that we pray to that reside in the north, in the west, in the south, and the east. And where the first part is, first verse is we're singing to the rain god to the north. We're saying we're telling him to hear us, so he can give us rain. And then the second verse is we're singing to the rain god to the south to hear us, so he can bring rain to us. And so that's what this song is about. And this is usually the last song that we dance to. Usually this dance is open to anybody. We do this and August 15th is when we have what we call our feast day, fiesta. It's open to everyone in my village to come and watch. But we do these dances too in the winter times, December and January.